Soils act as an integrator of decades of pollution by lead and other toxic metals from a number of sources. Any exposure to toxic metals is considered harmful to human health. Yet the pressure on limited soil resources are growing, and metal-contaminated land is already exploited for food production. Soil washing and removal of toxic metals with ethylene diamine tetraacetate, EDTA, is a soil-preserving option. However, treatment of vast quantities of processed waters and absence of feasible EDTA recycling has been an unsolved problem up to now. Our patented remediation technology is an effective solution. The contaminated soil is excavated and transported to the remediation facility. The oversized soil material is separated and rinsed clean with the recycled processed water. Soil fraction is washed with EDTA solution. The soil slurry is transported to the filter press and the used washing solution is separated. The washed soil is rinsed with recycled process waters and with fresh water to compensate for the losses. Consecutive rinsing reduces EDTA and toxic metals concentrations in the downstream process waters and in the soil. EDTA and process waters from soil washing and soil rinsing steps are recycled in an imposed pH gradient. The alkalinity imposed by calcium-containing base destabilizes EDTA compounds with toxic metals, which are replaced with calcium. Alkaline adsorption of released toxic metals on polysaccharide materials shift the chemical equilibrium towards products formation in the substitution, adsorption, precipitation reaction. Toxic metals precipitate from the reaction as insoluble hydroxides and absorbed on polysaccharide material. They are removed by filtration. The alkaline part of the process yields more than 90% of recycled EDTA. The remaining EDTA is recycled in insoluble acidic form after addition of sulfuric acid. Acidic EDTA is separated and returned to the washing solution. Excess reagents form insoluble gypsum, which is removed with remediated soil. The buildup of salt ions is thus prevented. The recovered process solutions are reused in a closed process loop. Remediated soil from the press is milled to obtain artificial soil aggregates and then mixed with the cleansed oversized soil material, fertilized and formulated. The efficiency of EDTA washing depends on soil properties. Up to 90% of toxic metal removed has been demonstrated. The remediated soil is functional and possesses fully restored quality. Our technology efficiently removes lead and other toxic metals from contaminated soils and sediments, recycles EDTA and used water, generates no liquid wastes or emissions, and preserves remediated soil as a natural resource. Our process generates less than 1.1% weight of solid wastes. Green and sustainable soil remediation technology is therefore finally at hand. ENVIT Limited. We take care of our soils.